Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into this adventure at the Legon Sports Stadium, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude. We are on the road to reach the significant milestone, that is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we couldn't have done this without your incredible support. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. Help us reach this milestone before the year ends. Your support means the world to us. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Let's get into action right now. As we explore the Legon Sports Stadium in Accra, Ghana, the government of Ghana announced that the Legon Sports Stadium will host the prestigious 2023 All-African Games. Originally, there were plans to build a 50,000 capacity stadium at Boteman, but this idea was scrapped off due to constraints from the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused delay in the commencement of the project. So plans were made to use the already existed University of Ghana Stadium, the new center, for the 13th edition of the All-African Games. It's impressive to see the progress made so far. The Legon Sports Stadium is being transformed into a hub for the African Games, with additional facilities such as warm-up areas and more to be integrated into the venue. Covering the stadium entirely with a roof would have been a perfect fit for this edifice, knowing very well how scorching the temperatures can be during the day here in Accra. I expected the stadium to have a roof covering it entirely. The reality being that there is no stadium in Accra that has its roof entirely covered. I expected that this will set the pace. It's surprising that such an upgrade wasn't part of the plan. Looking at the video, you only see that it's just the VIP section that has a roof. The Tartan tracks have seen some work, and the stands are shaping up nicely. It's evident that enough planning and execution have gone into these areas of the stadium. As we see, everything is gradually falling into place. The frame for the scoreboard has already been put in place, awaiting the screen to be fitted in finally. So the stadium is in close proximity to the University of Ghana Sports Center at the Oponglo Gate. So these billboards that sit in front of the car park adds an extra layer of anticipation to the event. The stadium's car park construction is also progressing steadily, and it gives a panoramic view of the Accra-Medina Highway. The games is scheduled to commence on the 8th of March and end on the 21st of March 2024. The final construction works on the stadium is expected to finish in February 2024, and this has caused the construction works on the stadium to intensify. I visited the site twice this week. My first visit saw the arrival of the floodlights. And guess what today? We were lucky enough to witness the installation process of the floodlights. The games is scheduled to commence on the 8th of March and end on the 21st of March 2024, and the final construction works on the stadium is expected to finish in February 2024. And this has caused the construction works on the stadium to intensify. In conclusion, the Legon Sports Stadium is gearing up to be a fantastic venue for the 2023 African Games. Despite a few concerns, the ongoing efforts of the dedicated team working on the project gives us hope that everything will be ready in time for the grand event. Stay tuned for more updates on our journey to explore the exciting development at the Legon Sports Stadium. Then again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated each time we upload a new content. Until next time, take care and let's see the 1,000 subscribers milestone together.